third in the world. You know, we've obviously haven't been, you know, above that 50 mark, you know, in a very long time. So we know how difficult it is, and it shows that they've got quality, you know, to be in the top in 33. So we've analyzed them, we've watched some clips, we've familiarized ourselves with them, and you know, the team that you need to take serious, you know, because they don't need a lot of chances to punish you, and that's what we saw, especially with the last qualifier that they had, where they won 3-2 to qualify. I think they only had 3 chances and they took it. So that is, you know, it shows how deadly they can be and the efficiency that they have in front of goal. They're a team that's obviously compact. They don't give too much away, but it's going to be a good test for us. And I think this will give ourselves and the coach and even the public, you know, the idea as to where we are, what we need to do to be ready for that game on the first game against Mexico.